how to turn on views notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on views notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Now click these three lines in top corner and then click settings, and here you will find notifications, and just scroll down until you find views. All you need to do is just click on views, one click, and as you see views have been turned on, and that's it. It's easy, of course. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.